I'm gonna give you the honor of pulling the plastic off the mirror, which I'm so close to doing it right now. No, I'm gonna let you do it, and that'll be your reveal. Oh, wow.
The grand reveal.
There is nothing wrong with natural makeup, right? We love that. We love a natural look. But the holidays are the time to bump it up a little bit. So stick around because I'm going to show you how to get this gorgeous, balanced, yet bold holiday festive look. I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to be using the Makeup by Mario palette. We're going to start with more of a taupe tone because I'm going to keep the eyes a little bit softer on this look. Close to the lash line and then blend. Do you have a favorite like holiday go-to glam you do often, Sadie?
I love like a super sparkly, like over the top tinsel type of situation.
Ooh, I love that too. Just taking this softly through the eyelid and blending it out. And then I'm gonna go into this tone right here. We're gonna get a little bit of your sparkles in here. I'm gonna apply it with my fingers because anything that has a sparkle, a lot of times if you apply with your fingers, you can avoid a lot of the fall down, or you can wet a brush. This is gonna create a really nice sort of wet effect on the eye. So the last thing I'm gonna do, because we are gonna be adding some lashes, is I'm gonna take a little bit of the black shadow with a smaller brush and just gently define the lash line. So now we're gonna use a lash. We all love lashes, right?
Gotta love the lashes.
I gotta love a lash. So what's interesting about these from Lily Lashes is no glue needed.
I've never heard of that.
So it's a self-adhesive lash that you can use like 5-6 times without any glue. Your actual body heat adheres. That's it. Your body heat adheres the lash to you. Just looking at the lashes, I can tell you they need to be trimmed. Let them sit on your own lash, and look, if they go beyond your lash line, cut all the excess off from the long end, the outside end, not the inside. They really do just pop right on. So now we got to add some mascara. And when you're using false lashes, the less mascara you use on a false lash, the more opportunity you can reuse them. So now I'm gonna get into the lip, but before we do that, even though I'm gonna be using a lip liner, this is a personal trick that I always do. Take a little bit of a setting powder, any type of translucent powder. I've got the Fenty Beauty one here, and just dust around the lip line. You wanna make sure that area is very dry and set, because if you have lip balm, or if you have skincare, or if you have a moisturizing foundation and then you put lip liner on it, it will bleed. So now I'm gonna go into Makeup Forever's Artist Color Pencils. I'm using this shade Full Red. So we got our lip liner, now our Holiday Red. From Charlotte Tilbury. This is such a gorgeous red tone. Absolutely love it. I like to apply a little bit with the tube, but also I'm a precision person. I'm applying on somebody else. I love to use a lip brush. This is the Pro Lip number 85. Beautiful. So now we're gonna go into this absolutely stunning face palette from Ilia. I chose the order in which I did this makeup specifically because I knew I was gonna be doing this bold red lip, and that's a really big focus. So I wanna make sure I'm balancing everything here and I'm not going too overboard. So this is a bit of a highlighter, which I really like. I'm gonna mix these two. It's a highlighter and then a highlighter with a touch of color. And where I'm gonna apply this is right on the high point here of the cheek, and then blend it. Take a little bit of the regular highlighter, just on the nose, just a little bit. Then we wanna go into our blush. And this is gonna go right below where we applied that, just sort of melting right over it. It's gonna sculpt, add a little touch of color that won't compete with that red lip. How do you like it?
Wow.
Beautiful.
This is so gorgeous.
I love this look on you. It's so beautiful. It's all about the balance of the look, keeping that focus on that gorgeous red lip, a little touch in the eye, a little touch on the cheeks, a pop of lash, and you're perfectly ready for the holiday festivities. Until next time, everyone, see you soon. Bye.